Curtiss-Wright VZ7. The Curtiss-Wright VZ7, also known as the Flying Jeep, is a fascinating piece of aviation history that showcases the bold experimentation of the 1950s. Developed as part of a U.S. Army initiative to create a versatile, vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) vehicle, the VZ7 stood out for its unique design and approach to flight. Engineered as a quadcopter-style flying machine, the VZ7 featured a sturdy, minimalist central frame that supported 4 rotors. These rotors were all powered by a single Turbomeca R2-STI-IB engine, an impressive feat for its time. One of the most remarkable aspects of the VZ7 was its intuitive control system, which allowed the pilot to maneuver the aircraft by adjusting individual rotor thrust and modifying exhaust vanes. This setup provided stable hovering and controlled forward flight, earning the aircraft positive feedback during initial test flights for its surprisingly easy handling. However, the VZ7's innovative design couldn't overcome the limitations of its performance. The aircraft failed to meet the U.S. Army's expectations for speed and altitude, which were critical for practical battlefield deployment. Its modest maximum speed and limited service ceiling meant it was ultimately retired from active development and returned to Curtiss-Wright. Though it never made it into production or saw combat, the VZ7 remains a significant chapter in the evolution of VTOL technology. It's remembered not just as a prototype that didn't make the cut, but as a symbol of the adventurous spirit of mid-20th century aviation design. Today, the Curtiss-Wright VZ7 stands as a forgotten but inspirational step toward modern VTOL aircraft and drones, paving the way for technologies we now take for granted.
Grumman X29. In the 1980s, the Grumman X29 emerged as one of the most visually stunning and technologically daring experimental aircraft ever created. Developed by Grumman in collaboration with NASA and the US Air Force, the X29 wasn't just built to fly. It was built to challenge the very fundamentals of aerodynamics. The most striking feature of the X29 was its forward-swept wings, a radical departure from traditional jet fighter designs. These wings were paired with a canard configuration, small horizontal stabilizers mounted near the nose of the aircraft, to create a unique 3-surface control layout. While such an arrangement introduced aerodynamic instability, it also promised dramatically enhanced agility and maneuverability, especially at high angles of attack. To handle the instability that came with forward-swept wings, the X29 relied on a cutting-edge digital fly-by-wire control system. This system made constant micro-adjustments to maintain stability, allowing pilots to safely perform maneuvers that would be impossible in conventionally stable aircraft. The use of advanced composite materials in the wing structure was another crucial innovation. These composites provided the flexibility and strength needed to resist aeroelastic divergence, a destructive aerodynamic effect that plagued early attempts at forward-swept wing designs. Although only 2 X29 aircraft were ever built, the program yielded valuable insights into structural tailoring, control surface integration, and aerodynamic behavior. These lessons directly influenced the development of later fighter jets, such as the F-22 Raptor and other highly maneuverable combat aircraft. Despite its groundbreaking design and high research value, the X29 was never intended for combat deployment. Its complex maintenance needs and limited operational performance confined it to the test arena. Still, the X29 stands today as a symbol of aerospace innovation, proving that breaking the rules can lead to revolutionary discoveries. Avro Canada VZ9 Avrocar. The Avro Canada VZ9 Avrocar is a striking chapter in the history of aviation, a futuristic flying saucer that symbolized both bold ambition and the technical limitations of its time. Developed in the late 1950s and early 1960s by Avro Aircraft in Canada, the Avrocar was part of a US military-funded effort to explore vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) aircraft. Its most distinctive feature was its disc-shaped design, which resembled classic UFO imagery and captured the public's imagination almost instantly. The Avrocar was intended to be a versatile aircraft capable of operating without runways, making it ideal for rapid deployment in remote areas or rugged terrain. Its propulsion system was based on a central turbojet engine that directed thrust through a series of ducted fans around the craft's perimeter. In theory, this would allow the Avrocar to hover, take off vertically, and achieve high-speed flight in any direction. However, in practice, the aircraft encountered several significant challenges. The most critical issues included poor aerodynamic stability, insufficient lift, and extremely high levels of noise and vibration. The Avrocar could barely rise more than a few feet off the ground, and was unable to maintain flight outside the ground effect zone, the cushion of air trapped between the aircraft and the ground surface. Despite its eventual cancellation in 1961, the Avrocar project was far from a failure. Its ambitious engineering and daring experimentation offered valuable insights into VTOL flight dynamics and inspired future developments in vertical lift aircraft, including modern drones and tiltrotor aircraft like the V-22 Osprey. Today, the Avrocar remains a fascinating symbol of aerospace innovation and serves as a reminder of the risks and rewards of pushing technological boundaries.
Bartini Beriev VVA14. The Bartini Beriev VVA14 stands as one of the most ambitious and unconventional aircraft ever conceived during the Cold War. Developed in the 1970s by Italian-born Soviet engineer Roberto Bartini, the VVA14 was designed to solve a critical defense issue, detecting and destroying NATO submarines swiftly over vast maritime regions. What made it unique was its combination of vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities and the ability to fly using ground effect, a phenomenon where an aircraft flying close to the surface experiences increased lift and reduced drag. This amphibious aircraft could take off from both water and land, offering unparalleled flexibility for naval missions. The sleek, futuristic design allowed it to skim just meters above the ocean surface, enabling high-speed, low-altitude operations ideal for submarine tracking and reconnaissance. The vision behind the VVA-14 was truly ahead of its time, reflecting the Soviet Union's desire to push technological boundaries in aerospace innovation. However, the aircraft was plagued with technical difficulties during testing. Issues with its complex VTOL systems and the integration of powerful lift engines meant that its full potential was never realized. Only one functional prototype was completed, and the project was eventually cancelled, leaving the dream of a flying submarine hunter unfulfilled. Today, the lone VVA-14 prototype rests in the Russian Air Force Museum, serving as a powerful reminder of Cold War-era experimentation. Though it never entered service, the Bartini Beriev VVA-14 remains a symbol of bold thinking and daring design. It continues to captivate aviation enthusiasts around the world as a unique chapter in aerospace history, where science fiction met real-world engineering in the skies.
The Boeing B377 Pregnant Guppy. The Boeing B377 Pregnant Guppy is one of the most unique and innovative aircraft ever built, specifically designed to meet the extraordinary needs of oversized cargo transportation. Developed from the Boeing 377 Stratocruiser, this aircraft showcased a bold departure from conventional aviation design, particularly in its role supporting NASA's early space missions. What set the Pregnant Guppy apart was its dramatically enlarged bulbous fuselage, a design that earned it its unusual nickname due to its resemblance to a pregnant figure. This massive upper structure allowed the aircraft to carry outsized loads that were impossible to fit into standard cargo planes at the time. From rocket stages to large spacecraft components, the Guppy played a crucial role in enabling the logistical support behind NASA's Apollo missions. Pilots and aerospace engineers admired the Guppy not only for its sheer capacity, but also for its remarkable adaptability and reliable performance. Despite its odd appearance, the aircraft maintained strong aerodynamics and flight capabilities, merging vintage 1950s aeronautical engineering with forward-thinking modifications. The Boeing B377 Pregnant Guppy wasn't just a transport plane. It became a symbol of problem-solving and creative thinking in the aviation world. Its successful transformation from a retired passenger aircraft into a critical component of space exploration logistics is a testament to how existing technologies can be reimagined to meet new challenges. Even today, the Pregnant Guppy holds a special place in aerospace history. It paved the way for future large cargo aircraft like the Super Guppy and the Airbus Beluga. The legacy of the Pregnant Guppy continues to inspire engineers and designers, reminding us that innovation often begins with daring to think differently.
Hafner Roabuggy. The Hafner Roabuggy, also known as the Flying Jeep, is one of the most intriguing experimental military gadgets to emerge during World War II. Designed by Austrian-born engineer Raoul Hafner in Britain, The Roabuggy was a bold attempt to blend land and air mobility into one versatile vehicle. At its core, the Roabuggy was based on the Willys MB, an iconic and rugged military jeep. However, Hafner transformed it by adding a rotor kite, tail fins, and flight control surfaces, turning it into a glider that could be towed into the sky by a plane, even a ground vehicle. The idea was to deliver a fully operational ground vehicle directly into battle zones by air, bypassing obstacles that conventional transports couldn't manage. Flight tests were actually successful to some extent. The Roabuggy reached speeds of up to 70 miles per hour during gliding trials. However, the vehicle faced major technical issues. Vibrations during flight were intense, and the overall stability and control of the craft left much to be desired. These limitations, coupled with the rise of more efficient gliders capable of transporting larger loads, led to the project being shelved. Although it never entered full production or battlefield use, the Hafner Roabuggy remains a captivating piece of wartime innovation. It symbolizes the extreme creativity and resourcefulness that often emerge in times of conflict. Today, it stands as a fascinating relic of military history, an example of how engineers once tried to turn science fiction into reality. Enthusiasts and historians continue to admire the Roabuggy for its bold vision and unique place in aviation and automotive history. NASA M2F1, Flying Bathtub. The NASA M2F1, affectionately nicknamed the Flying Bathtub, stands as a symbol of bold experimentation and aerospace ingenuity. Developed in the early 1960s, this unpowered glider was part of a groundbreaking series of lifting body aircraft that defied the traditional need for wings to achieve flight. Its design was radically different, a simple, lightweight structure built mostly from plywood and covered with fabric, making it look more like a homemade project than a serious aerospace vehicle. However, the M2F1 proved to be much more than it seemed. Despite its unusual and rudimentary appearance, it successfully demonstrated that a wingless, lifting body design could create enough aerodynamic lift for stable, controlled flight. This was a major step forward in aerospace research, particularly for future spacecraft re-entry vehicles, which needed to glide back to Earth without relying on conventional wings. The data collected from M2F1's test flights helped NASA scientists and engineers better understand flight dynamics and control mechanisms at lower speeds. This knowledge was instrumental in the eventual design and development of the Space Shuttle, as well as other re-entry spacecraft concepts. What truly makes the M2F1 special is its legacy. It showed that great ideas don't always require high-end materials or massive budgets, just creativity, courage, and a willingness to experiment. The Flying Bathtub became a celebrated icon in the history of aviation, representing a spirit of innovation that continues to inspire engineers and dreamers in the field of aerospace engineering even today. StrataLaunch Model 351. The StrataLaunch Model 351 is an extraordinary aircraft with the largest wingspan in aviation history, stretching 117.5 meters, 385 feet. To visualize its size, if placed upright, it would be taller than the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. This massive aircraft was specifically designed to serve as a launch platform for space missions, enabling mid-air rocket launches instead of traditional ground-based takeoffs. By carrying rockets to an altitude of 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, before launch, the StrataLaunch reduces the need for expensive and complex launch pads. This method also offers greater flexibility since launches are less affected by weather conditions at ground level. With a payload capacity of 250 tons, it can transport and deploy heavy spacebound equipment with ease. Despite its groundbreaking potential, only one StrataLaunch Model 351 has been built so far. However, the developers have ambitious plans to produce 5 more in the near future. If successful, this could revolutionize the aerospace industry by making space launches more cost-effective and accessible. The concept of launching rockets from aircraft is not new, but StrataLaunch takes it to the next level with its sheer size and power. It could become an essential tool for deploying satellites, scientific instruments, and even commercial payloads. With private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin pushing boundaries, StrataLaunch might play a vital role in shaping the future of space travel. As the world looks towards reusable space technology and efficient launch methods, the StrataLaunch Model 351 stands as an engineering marvel, offering a glimpse into the next era of aviation and space exploration. Aerialist Jets, the future of military aircraft. Aerialist Jets is transforming military aviation with its groundbreaking modular design. Unlike traditional jets that are built for a single purpose, Aerialist's aircraft feature an adaptable fuselage that can be reconfigured for trainer, fighter, or reconnaissance missions by swapping out modular components. This innovative approach dramatically reduces manufacturing costs, maintenance, and pilot training expenses. What makes Aerialist Jets unique is their cutting-edge technology, including AI-enhanced avionics that improve real-time decision-making, advanced lightweight materials for enhanced durability, and sustainable fuel compatibility to support eco-friendly operations. By integrating these features, Aerialist aims to modernize air forces with a cost-effective, flexible, and efficient fleet. This aircraft is designed to maximize operational efficiency, allowing military forces to upgrade and modify their planes without purchasing entirely new fleets. This not only reduces long-term costs but also provides strategic adaptability for different mission types. Aerialist's modular jet concept could redefine the future of air combat, making air forces more economically sustainable and technologically advanced. If widely adopted, it could set a new standard for military aviation, allowing defense organizations to respond more quickly to evolving threats without extensive fleet overhauls. In a world where military budgets are under scrutiny, Aerialist offers a smart, scalable, and cost-effective solution for nations looking to maintain air superiority without excessive spending.
Airbus A400M. The Airbus A400M is a next-generation military transport aircraft designed to replace aging fleets of C-130 Hercules and C-160 Transall. Developed for European NATO forces, this aircraft combines the best aspects of strategic airlift, tactical operations, and humanitarian missions, making it one of the most versatile transport planes ever built. One of its standout features is its ability to take off and land on short, unpaved runways as short as 900 meters, making it ideal for military operations in remote or conflict-heavy areas. The A400M can carry up to 37 tons of cargo, including tanks, helicopters, and large military supplies. Additionally, it is designed for paratrooper drops, medical evacuations, and disaster relief missions, proving its value beyond combat operations. The A400M is built to withstand extreme conditions, operating in temperatures ranging from -50 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. It has gained recognition not just in military circles but also in Hollywood, appearing in Mission Impossible: Rogue Nation for its impressive capabilities. With its unmatched versatility, range, and payload capacity, the Airbus A400M plays a crucial role in global defense, rapid response missions, and humanitarian aid efforts worldwide.
Lockheed CL12001. The Lockheed CL12001 was an ambitious and futuristic aircraft concept from the 1960s, designed to be the largest plane ever built. This nuclear-powered flying aircraft carrier was envisioned as a mobile military base capable of staying airborne for extended periods without refueling. With a wingspan of a staggering 1,120 feet, 341 meters, it was over 3 times the size of a Boeing 747, making it an engineering marvel of its time. One of its most remarkable features was its ability to carry up to 22 fighter jets, which could take off and land mid-air. It would have housed a crew of over 800 personnel and remained airborne for weeks, refueled by an onboard nuclear reactor. The aircraft was designed with 4 massive jet engines for conventional takeoff and landing, while an additional 182 vertical lift jets were included to assist with vertical takeoff. Despite its groundbreaking design, the CL12001 never progressed beyond the conceptual stage. The project faced immense challenges, including astronomical costs, complex engineering requirements, and serious safety concerns associated with nuclear propulsion. The sheer size of the aircraft also raised doubts about its practicality and feasibility in real-world military operations. Though the project was ultimately scrapped, the Lockheed CL12001 remains one of the most ambitious aircraft concepts in aviation history. If it had been realized, it would have redefined aerial warfare and strategic mobility. The idea of a nuclear-powered aircraft capable of sustained flight continues to influence modern discussions on advanced aerial platforms, proving that even the most extreme concepts can inspire future innovations in military and commercial aviation.
Airlander 10. The Airlander 10 is a hybrid airship developed by Hybrid Air Vehicles, combining helium lift with aerodynamic lift for efficient and extended flight durations. Originally designed for the U.S. Army's Long Endurance Intelligence Program, it was later repurposed for civilian use and rebranded as the Airlander 10. This aircraft is distinguished by its ability to stay airborne for up to 5 days, making it ideal for logistics, surveillance, and luxury tourism. With a range of 4,000 nautical miles and a cargo capacity of 10 tons, the Airlander 10 serves as a versatile transport solution. It can operate at altitudes of up to 20,000 feet, providing access to remote locations where traditional aircraft struggle to land. This makes it highly valuable for scientific research, disaster relief, and aerial observation missions. A key feature of the Airlander 10 is its commitment to eco-friendly aviation. By 2030, the company plans to introduce hybrid electric and all-electric versions, reducing emissions by 75% compared to conventional aircraft. This initiative aligns with global sustainability efforts, positioning the Airlander 10 as a pioneer in low-emission aviation. With its massive potential in diverse sectors, this hybrid airship represents the future of long-range, environmentally conscious air travel. Lockheed Martin SR-72. The Lockheed Martin SR-72, also called the Son of Blackbird, is a hypersonic reconnaissance aircraft currently under development. It is designed to succeed the iconic SR-71 Blackbird, a jet known for its unmatched speed and stealth. Unlike its predecessor, the SR-72 is planned to be unmanned, making it a futuristic drone capable of high-speed surveillance and potential strike missions. What makes the SR-72 remarkable is its hybrid propulsion system, combining gas turbines for takeoff and landing with a ramjet engine for supersonic travel. Once it reaches around 40,900 km/h, Mach 5+, its air intake and combustion system adjust automatically, optimizing performance for extreme speeds. This allows it to gather intelligence or strike targets before adversaries can even react. While the project remains highly secretive, experts believe the SR-72 could redefine modern warfare, offering rapid response reconnaissance and precision strike capabilities that no other aircraft can match. If all goes as planned, this aircraft could take to the skies within the next decade, ushering in a new era of hypersonic flight technology. The SR-72 represents the future of aviation, where speed, stealth, and automation converge for superior aerial dominance. Anduril and Archer military aircraft. Anduril and Archer Aviation have partnered to develop a groundbreaking hybrid vertical takeoff and landing (VTO) military aircraft for the U.S. Department of Defense. This collaboration combines Archer's expertise in VTO technology with Anduril's strength in artificial intelligence, AI, and mission systems integration to create an advanced, highly efficient military aircraft. Designed to meet the rigorous demands of national defense, this aircraft not only excels in combat and logistics, but also integrates sustainable, eco-friendly practices. The hybrid VTO aircraft incorporates the latest technological advancements, offering enhanced capabilities for defense operations while reducing environmental impact. The partnership aims to deliver an aircraft that can perform various mission-critical tasks, from surveillance to rapid troop transport, all while minimizing fuel consumption and emissions. By incorporating AI and advanced systems integration, the aircraft also improves operational efficiency and enhances mission effectiveness. This collaboration marks a significant leap in military aviation, combining cutting-edge technologies with sustainable practices to provide an environmentally responsible solution for modern defense operations. As military needs evolve, this next-generation aircraft promises to be a key asset in ensuring national security while supporting sustainable, eco-friendly defense strategies for the future.
Antonov AN225 Mariah. The Antonov AN225 Mariah was a marvel of aviation engineering, holding the title of the largest and heaviest aircraft ever built. Designed in the 1980s by the Soviet Union, its primary mission was to transport the Soviet space shuttle Buran. With its unparalleled cargo capacity, 6 powerful turbofan engines, and a maximum takeoff weight of 640 tons, the AN225 was in a class of its own. The aircraft's extraordinary wingspan and reinforced structure allowed it to carry massive payloads that no other aircraft could. After the dissolution of the Soviet Union, its role evolved into heavy cargo transport, moving oversized equipment such as generators, locomotives, and humanitarian aid supplies across the globe. Only one AN225 was ever completed, as plans for a second unit were halted due to financial constraints. The aircraft became a symbol of engineering excellence, admired by aviation enthusiasts worldwide. Tragically, in 2022, the sole AN225 was destroyed during the Russian invasion of Ukraine, marking the end of an era. Despite its loss, Antonov has expressed interest in rebuilding it, though the financial and technical challenges make this an ambitious endeavor. Even in its absence, the AN225's legacy lives on as a symbol of human innovation and engineering ambition. It showcased the boundless possibilities of aerospace technology, proving that no challenge is too great for human ingenuity.
NASA's X59 Jet. The NASA X59 is a cutting-edge supersonic aircraft designed to break traditional barriers in aviation. Unlike past supersonic jets like the Concorde, which produced deafening sonic booms, the X59 aims to revolutionize supersonic flight by eliminating this disruptive noise. Developed under NASA's Quiet Supersonic Technology QST program in collaboration with Lockheed Martin, the jet can achieve speeds of Mach 1.4, 925 miles per hour, while producing only a soft thump rather than a loud boom. The key to its noise reduction lies in its elongated, slender nose, which reshapes shock waves and prevents them from merging into a powerful sonic boom. The primary goal of the X59 is to prove that supersonic travel over land can be quiet enough for commercial use, potentially opening doors for future supersonic passenger flights. With test flights expected in 2024, the aircraft could pave the way for faster, more efficient air travel without disturbing communities below. If successful, this technology could bring back commercial supersonic travel, drastically reducing flight times. Imagine traveling from New York to Los Angeles in just 2 hours. The X59 could be the start of a new, faster, and quieter era of aviation.
Archer's Midnight. The Archer Midnight is an innovative electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft designed to transform urban transportation. With its sleek, futuristic design and multiple rotors for vertical takeoff and landing, Midnight is built to navigate densely populated areas with ease, offering a sustainable and efficient alternative to traditional ground transportation. Powered by fully electric motors, Midnight operates with zero emissions, aligning with global sustainability goals. It is designed for short-haul flights ranging between 20 to 60 miles, making it ideal for city commutes, airport transfers, and intercity travel. With growing concerns over urban congestion, air taxis like Midnight could significantly reduce travel time, offering a more convenient alternative to traditional transportation. Safety and comfort are top priorities for Archer Aviation. Midnight features redundant flight systems, advanced avionics, and quiet propulsion technology, ensuring a smooth and noise-free travel experience. Its spacious cabin is designed for passenger comfort, making air travel not only faster but also more enjoyable. Beyond passenger transport, Midnight could be used for emergency medical services, cargo deliveries, and disaster response operations. Governments and private companies are already investing in eVTOL infrastructure, including vertiports and air corridors, to integrate air taxis into urban transport networks. As eVTOL technology evolves, Archer's Midnight is poised to become a game-changer in urban mobility. With continued advancements in battery efficiency, autonomous navigation, and regulatory approvals, the future of air travel is closer than ever. Soon, on-demand flying taxis could become a reality, reshaping the way we move through cities and ushering in a new era of sustainable, high-speed travel. On-course goggles. The on-course goggles are not your ordinary swim goggles. They're high-tech navigation tools designed for swimmers and triathletes who need precise direction while training or competing. With an integrated navigation system, these goggles help athletes stay on track in open waters, reducing fatigue and improving performance. One of the most impressive features is the electronic compass, which locks onto the swimmer's target direction. If the swimmer veers off course, LED indicators above the lenses provide instant visual feedback, allowing them to make real-time adjustments without disrupting their pace. This technology is particularly beneficial for open water swimming, where currents, waves, and low visibility can make navigation difficult. To enhance accuracy, the on-course goggles incorporate advanced sensors, including a compass, accelerometer, and GNSS module. These features work together to help athletes swim straighter, conserve energy, and stay focused on their performance. Additionally, the polarized lenses provide UV protection and anti-fog capabilities, ensuring clear vision even in challenging conditions. With a battery life of over 24 hours, these goggles are designed for endurance training and long-distance swims. They can be conveniently charged via USB, and the package includes a mesh bag, silicone cable, and a 3.1 amp car adapter for easy transport. The on-course goggles are more than just a piece of swim gear, they're a breakthrough in sports technology. By combining precision navigation, comfort, and durability, these goggles empower athletes to push their limits and train more efficiently. Whether you're a professional swimmer or an enthusiast looking to improve your technique, these goggles offer an unmatched competitive advantage in the water. Avel System. For scuba divers, managing buoyancy is one of the most critical aspects of a dive. The Avel System introduces a groundbreaking approach by eliminating the need for a traditional buoyancy compensator, BCD, and replacing it with a hydro tank cylinder that adjusts buoyancy by swapping air for water. Unlike standard diving gear, which requires constant manual adjustments, the Avel System ensures consistent neutral buoyancy throughout the dive. As the diver breathes, the used air is replaced with water inside the tank, automatically maintaining balance. This means divers can focus more on exploring the underwater world rather than adjusting their gear. Another major advantage is its lightweight design. Weighing only 20 kilograms when fully assembled, the Avel System is significantly lighter and more comfortable than traditional scuba equipment. This makes movement underwater more fluid and natural, reducing strain and allowing for a longer, more enjoyable dive. Reliability is a key factor in scuba diving, and the Avel System has undergone extensive testing to ensure safety and efficiency. Even in the event of a pump failure, the system allows for a controlled ascent, preventing sudden, dangerous rises to the surface. Additionally, divers can manually release water from the tank for fine-tuned buoyancy control. With a battery that lasts multiple dives, the Avel System is becoming increasingly popular among certified diving centers. Its innovative technology simplifies the diving experience, making it safer, lighter, and more efficient. For those looking to upgrade their scuba gear, the Avel System is a game-changer that could redefine the future of diving.
The Pipistrel Pantherra is a high-performance, four-seat aircraft designed to deliver both speed and efficiency in an elegant package. Constructed with an all-composite design, the Pantherra offers superior durability while maintaining a lightweight structure for enhanced performance. Featuring a centrally located control stick for precise handling and go-wing doors for easy access to the cabin, this aircraft prioritizes convenience and ease of use. Inside, the luxurious and ergonomic interior is built for maximum comfort, ensuring long flights are as relaxing as they are efficient. Powered by the Lombardini IO 540 engine, the Pantherra reaches a maximum cruise speed of nearly 200 knots, with an impressive range of over 1,000 nautical miles, perfect for both short and long-distance travel. Safety is paramount, with the Pantherra equipped with outstanding flight handling characteristics, an integral roll bar protection system, and a full airframe parachute rescue system for peace of mind in any situation. This aircraft combines speed, range, and comfort to offer a flying experience that doesn't compromise on luxury. The Pipistrel Pantherra sets a new benchmark for general aviation, providing a sophisticated and high-performance aircraft that prioritizes both safety and comfort. Bell 525 Relentless. The Bell 525 Relentless is a groundbreaking helicopter that sets new standards in speed, performance, and safety. With advanced fly-by-wire technology, it delivers superior handling, reduces pilot workload, and enhances stability in even the most challenging conditions. Its spacious, customizable cabin can accommodate up to 16 passengers, ensuring a high level of comfort for both short and long journeys. Built for versatility, the Bell 525 boasts a cruising speed of 160 knots and a range of over 500 nautical miles, making it ideal for various missions such as offshore oil and gas operations, VIP transport, and search and rescue efforts. The helicopter is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics, guaranteeing exceptional reliability and performance. Designed with safety in mind, the Bell 525 features exceptional flight handling and a full airframe parachute system, positioning it as one of the most dependable helicopters in its class. Whether for commercial or private aviation, the Bell 525 Relentless offers an unbeatable combination of performance, luxury, and innovation. Its advanced technology makes it the perfect solution for diverse aviation needs, providing unmatched efficiency and comfort.
Russian Mi-32. The Russian Mi-32 was a visionary concept for an ultra-heavy lift helicopter designed to surpass the capabilities of even the largest operational helicopters today, such as the MIL Mi-26. Developed by the renowned MIL Design Bureau, the Mi-32 was conceived as a twin-fuselage, tandem-rotor aircraft with unparalleled lifting power. Its most distinctive feature was its dual rotor system, which eliminated the need for a tail rotor. This design would have significantly improved lift capacity and stability, making it an ideal solution for transporting military vehicles, construction equipment, and even aircraft components. With a projected payload capacity exceeding 50 tons, the Mi-32 was intended to revolutionize military, industrial, and humanitarian transport operations. However, despite its promising design, the Mi-32 never moved beyond the conceptual phase. The project faced several hurdles, including high development costs, technical challenges, and shifting defense priorities. The complexity of designing such a massive helicopter with a dual rotor system also raised concerns about structural integrity and operational feasibility. Although the Mi-32 was never built, its influence can still be seen in modern aviation. The concept of ultra-heavy lift helicopters continues to inspire future rotorcraft designs aimed at increasing payload capacity and efficiency. The need for powerful transport helicopters remains relevant today, particularly in disaster relief, military logistics, and infrastructure development. While the Mi-32 remains an unrealized dream, its ambitious design serves as a reminder of the aviation industry's constant pursuit of innovation. Future advancements in materials, aerodynamics, and propulsion systems may one day bring a similar aircraft to life, fulfilling the original vision of extreme heavy-lift rotorcraft.
Seaglider Viceroy. The Seaglider Viceroy, developed by Regent, is a cutting-edge electric maritime vehicle designed for sustainable coastal transportation. Combining advanced hull, hydrofoil, and ground effect flight technologies, this innovative vehicle delivers unparalleled efficiency and versatility. The Viceroy measures 57.5 feet in length with a wingspan of 65 feet, offering a cruise speed of 160 knots, 180 mph, and a range of 160 nautical miles, making it perfect for short to medium distance travel. The Viceroy can carry 12 passengers, 2 crew members, or up to 3,500 pounds of cargo. It is powered by 8 electric motors that collectively generate 120 kilowatts of power while operating at significantly reduced noise levels, 30 decibels quieter than traditional aircraft. Its spacious, 746 cubic foot cabin ensures a comfortable and luxurious travel experience for passengers. This zero-emission maritime vehicle sets a new standard for eco-friendly coastal transport, offering a quiet and efficient alternative to conventional methods. Designed with safety and comfort in mind, the Seaglider Viceroy is poised to revolutionize regional travel by bridging the gap between maritime and aviation technologies, providing fast, sustainable, and noise-free solutions for future mobility.
Beluga XL. The Beluga XL is Airbus' massive cargo aircraft, specifically built to transport large airplane components like fuselages and wings between its manufacturing sites across Europe. Based on the Airbus A330-200, this aircraft replaces the older Beluga fleet and offers a 30% increase in payload capacity, allowing it to transport 2 A350 wings instead of 1. What makes the Beluga XL truly stand out is its distinct whale-like design, making it one of the most recognizable cargo planes in the world. Beyond aesthetics, this design enhances aerodynamics, helping it efficiently carry heavy aircraft components over long distances. The plane is powered by Rolls-Royce Trent 700 engines, delivering the necessary thrust for its demanding cargo missions. Since entering service in 2020, the Beluga XL has become an essential part of Airbus' supply chain, ensuring that aircraft production remains seamless and efficient. With its extended fuselage, reinforced structure, and improved fuel efficiency, it plays a critical role in the assembly of modern passenger jets. More than just a workhorse of the skies, the Beluga XL has gained immense popularity among aviation enthusiasts due to its unique appearance and engineering excellence. Nicknamed the Flying Whale, it is one of the few aircraft that combines functionality with an eye-catching design. As global aviation production scales up, the Beluga XL ensures that Airbus can continue delivering state-of-the-art aircraft quickly and efficiently. This giant of the skies is not only a marvel of engineering but also a key player in the future of aviation logistics.
Stellar Adventure Jet. The Stellar Adventure Jet is an innovative hydrogen-powered aircraft designed to make air travel more sustainable, efficient, and versatile. Unlike traditional planes, it is a vertical takeoff and landing (VOL) aircraft, meaning it can take off and land like a helicopter while flying with the speed and efficiency of an airplane. This makes it an ideal solution for point-to-point travel, especially in remote or urban areas with limited runway space. With a range of 650 miles and a cruising speed of 520 kilometers per hour, 323 miles per hour, the Stellar Adventure Jet is built for short to medium-range travel. Its hydrogen fuel system allows for zero-emission flights, making it one of the most environmentally friendly aircraft in development. This innovation could help reduce aviation's carbon footprint, an industry currently responsible for nearly 2.5% of global CO2 emissions. Another standout feature is its near-silent operation, which makes it a game-changer for urban air mobility. The aircraft also prioritizes safety, integrating an emergency parachute system to enhance passenger security. As demand for eco-friendly and efficient air travel grows, the Stellar Adventure Jet sets a new standard, proving that sustainability and innovation can go hand in hand in the future of aviation. Boeing 747-8 Jet. The Boeing 747-8 is the pinnacle of long-haul aviation, delivering unmatched performance and comfort in the world of commercial air travel. As the largest passenger aircraft currently in service, the 747-8 boasts a length of 76.3 meters, 250 feet 2 inches, and a wingspan of 68.4 meters, 224 feet 5 inches. It is powered by 4 General Electric X2B67 engines, each generating 66,500 pounds of thrust, enabling a cruising speed of Mach 0.86. The aircraft's extensive range of 7,730 nautical miles, 14,320 kilometers, allows for ultra-long-haul, non-stop routes. Designed with passenger comfort in mind, the spacious interior accommodates up to 467 passengers in a 3-class layout, featuring enhanced seating and amenities. The 747-8 is also celebrated for its improved fuel efficiency, thanks to advanced aerodynamics and its innovative raked wingtips, which reduce drag and noise levels. This latest iteration of the iconic 747 series has cemented its place as a game-changer in aviation. Combining environmental efficiency with modern comforts, the Boeing 747-8 not only honors the legacy of its predecessors, but also paves the way for the future of sustainable and luxurious air travel.
Boeing Dreamlifter. The Boeing Dreamlifter is a one-of-a-kind cargo aircraft designed to transport massive aircraft components across the globe. Its primary job is to deliver parts for the Boeing 787 Dreamliner, making aircraft production much faster and more efficient. Before the Dreamlifter, components like wings had to be shipped from Japan by sea, a journey that took nearly a month. Now, with this aircraft, the same trip takes just 8 hours. Despite its enormous size, the Dreamlifter is flown by only 2 pilots, a feat that highlights its advanced automation and ease of operation. Imagine flying a plane as long as 6 buses and as tall as the White House, all with just 1 co-pilot. It features an enormous cargo hold with a volume of 1,840 cubic meters, capable of carrying some of the largest aircraft components ever transported by air. While its humpback design gives it a distinctive appearance, it remains an aerodynamically efficient aircraft. It can cruise at a speed of 878 km per hour, 546 miles per hour, ensuring quick deliveries across continents. Due to its specialized role, only 4 Dreamlifters exist worldwide, making them an essential part of Boeing's supply chain. The Dreamlifter has dramatically transformed the logistics of aircraft manufacturing, ensuring that assembly plants receive components quickly and efficiently. Its unique design, high-speed capabilities, and massive cargo capacity make it one of the most important cargo planes in modern aviation. As air travel continues to evolve, the Boeing Dreamlifter will remain a crucial tool for streamlining production and ensuring that the world's largest passenger jets are built faster and more efficiently than ever before. StrataLaunch Model 351. The StrataLaunch Model 351 is an extraordinary aircraft with the largest wingspan in aviation history, stretching 117.5 meters, 385 feet. To visualize its size, if placed upright, it would be taller than the Notre Dame Cathedral in Paris. This massive aircraft was specifically designed to serve as a launch platform for space missions, enabling mid-air rocket launches instead of traditional ground-based takeoffs. By carrying rockets to an altitude of 10 kilometers, 6.2 miles, before launch, the StrataLaunch reduces the need for expensive and complex launch pads. This method also offers greater flexibility since launches are less affected by weather conditions at ground level. With a payload capacity of 250 tons, it can transport and deploy heavy spacebound equipment with ease. Despite its groundbreaking potential, only one StrataLaunch Model 351 has been built so far. However, the developers have ambitious plans to produce 5 more in the near future. If successful, this could revolutionize the aerospace industry by making space launches more cost-effective and accessible. The concept of launching rockets from aircraft is not new, but StrataLaunch takes it to the next level with its sheer size and power. It could become an essential tool for deploying satellites, scientific instruments, and even commercial payloads. With private space companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin pushing boundaries, StrataLaunch might play a vital role in shaping the future of space travel. As the world looks towards reusable space technology and efficient launch methods, the StrataLaunch Model 351 stands as an engineering marvel, offering a glimpse into the next era of aviation and space exploration. Solar Impulse 2. The Solar Impulse 2 is a groundbreaking aircraft that redefined the possibilities of solar-powered flight. Designed as an evolution of its predecessor, the Solar Impulse 1, this ultra-lightweight plane was engineered to achieve something never done before: circumnavigating the globe using only solar energy. This aircraft was piloted by André Borschberg and Bertrand Piccard, two visionaries determined to push the boundaries of aviation technology. Their goal was to prove that clean energy could power long-duration flights without fuel. The Solar Impulse 2 was equipped with 17,248 solar cells covering its enormous 72-meter wingspan, allowing it to collect and store solar energy during the day. This energy was then used to power the aircraft's 4 electric motors and rechargeable lithium batteries for night flying. One of the most ambitious legs of its journey was the flight from Japan to Hawaii, which lasted nearly 118 hours non-stop. This record-breaking achievement made headlines worldwide, showcasing the endurance of both the aircraft and its pilot, who spent days in the cockpit without rest. However, the journey was not without challenges. At times, unpredictable weather and mechanical difficulties forced delays, requiring the team to strategize carefully. Despite the difficulties, Solar Impulse 2 successfully completed its worldwide journey in 2016, proving that sustainable aviation is not just a dream, but a real possibility. This pioneering aircraft stands as a symbol of innovation, sustainability, and human resilience. It has inspired future developments in green aviation, paving the way for a future where flights could be entirely free of fossil fuels. Tupolev TU160. The Tupolev TU160, also known as the White Swan, is the largest and fastest supersonic bomber ever built. With its sleek variable sweep wings, it can adjust its wing shape mid-flight, optimizing performance for both speed and efficiency. Weighing 110 tons empty, it also holds the title of the heaviest combat aircraft in the world. Despite its size, the Tu-160 is surprisingly agile, soaring through the skies with elegance and precision. Its white paint not only gives it a graceful look but also serves a functional purpose, reducing heat absorption and infrared detection, making it harder for enemy radars to track. Over the years, this aircraft has set more than 40 world records, solidifying its status as a legend in military aviation. Designed as a strategic bomber, the Tu-160 is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons, including nuclear and conventional missiles. It has an incredible combat range of over 12,000 kilometers, 7,500 miles, without needing to refuel, allowing it to strike distant targets anywhere in the world. Beyond its military importance, the Tu-160 is also recognized as a symbol of Soviet and Russian engineering excellence. It has even been featured on commemorative silver coins, marking the 100th anniversary of Tupolev's design bureau. Although the Tu-160 was developed during the Cold War, modern upgrades in avionics and electronic warfare systems ensure that it remains one of the most powerful bombers today. As military technology advances, the White Swan continues to be a key asset in strategic defense, demonstrating the enduring power and sophistication of supersonic aviation. CH-53E Super Stallion. The CH-53E Super Stallion is the largest and most powerful helicopter in the United States military, designed for heavy lifting missions and troop transport. It is an upgraded version of the Sikorsky CH-53, but after numerous enhancements, it became a completely new model. This beast of a helicopter is longer than a basketball court and features a massive rotor system with an extra seventh blade, increasing its lifting capacity. One of the Super Stallion's most impressive features is its ability to carry 55 fully equipped soldiers, compared to the 38 troops carried by its predecessor. It can also lift a staggering 16.3 tons, making it capable of transporting heavy military equipment such as artillery, vehicles, and even other aircraft. This helicopter plays a crucial role in combat, rescue missions, and disaster relief. It is particularly useful for amphibious assaults, helping the U.S. Marine Corps transport personnel and supplies between naval ships and battle zones. Designed to handle harsh environments and extreme conditions, the Super Stallion operates effectively in high-altitude, desert, and maritime missions. Despite its enormous size, the CH-53E is highly maneuverable, allowing for precise landings in confined areas. Its triple-engine setup gives it immense power, making it one of the most capable helicopters in the world. The Super Stallion has been a backbone of U.S. military aviation for decades. With the next-generation CH-53K King Stallion on the horizon, this legendary helicopter's legacy will continue, ensuring that military forces have the most advanced heavy-lift capabilities available.
Ziva Zero Personal eVTOL. The Ziva Zero is a futuristic electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft designed to redefine urban transportation. Its innovative disc-shaped design, measuring 2.4 meters 8 feet in diameter, is compact enough to fit into a standard car parking space, making it an ideal solution for city environments. This single-passenger aircraft is powered by 8 electric motors, enabling seamless vertical takeoff and a transition to horizontal flight for efficient cruising. With a top speed of 257 kilometers, 160 miles per hour, and a range of up to 80 kilometers, 50 miles, the Ziva Zero is perfect for short commutes. Its 25 kilowatt-hour battery can be fully recharged in about 4 hours, supporting sustainable and eco-friendly travel. The aircraft is equipped with joystick controls for manual operation and with plans for autonomous flight capabilities in the future. Safety features, including a ballistic parachute for emergencies, provide peace of mind for pilots. The Ziva Zero offers a glimpse into the future of personal transportation, combining convenience, innovation, and sustainability. Its compact design and urban adaptability make it a trailblazer in the evolving landscape of eVTOL aircraft, offering a practical and environmentally friendly way to navigate congested cities.
Klein Vision Aircar. The Klein Vision Aircar is a revolutionary leap in transportation technology, blurring the line between cars and aircraft. Designed by Slovak engineer Stefan Klein, this two-seater flying car combines the best of both worlds, ground travel and flight, into one sleek, futuristic machine. What makes the aircar truly stand out is its unique ability to switch between driving and flying modes in just over 2 minutes. With foldable wings and a retractable tail, it seamlessly transforms from a compact road vehicle into a fully functioning aircraft. This engineering marvel is powered by a 1.6-liter BMW engine, enabling it to cruise at speeds of up to 170 kilometers per hour in the air, while offering an impressive flight range of around 1,000 kilometers. Its body is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber, making it not only strong and durable but also highly efficient in both modes. On the road, its size and design are practical for city driving, while in the air, its aerodynamic shape supports smooth and stable flight. Certified as an official aircraft in 2022, the Klein Vision Aircar has turned science fiction into reality. It opens up exciting new possibilities for personal transportation, potentially eliminating the everyday frustration of traffic jams and long commutes. With the aircar, the dream of flying cars is no longer just a fantasy. It represents a bold step forward into a future where urban mobility is faster, smarter, and more efficient. As more innovation continues in this space, vehicles like the Aircar could soon become a common sight in our skies and on our streets.
Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin. The Mitsubishi X2 Shinshin is Japan's first step toward developing a next-generation stealth fighter. Designed as a testbed for advanced technologies, it serves as the foundation for Japan's future sixth-generation fighter program, the FX. The X2 made its first flight in 2016, showcasing impressive features that push the boundaries of stealth and aerodynamics. One of its key highlights is its extremely low radar cross-section, making it nearly invisible to detection systems. In fact, its stealth profile is smaller than that of a bird, giving it an enormous advantage in modern air combat. Additionally, the aircraft can achieve supersonic speeds without relying on afterburners, thanks to its highly efficient thrust vectoring engines. This ensures greater fuel efficiency and maneuverability compared to traditional fighter jets. Japan also plans to incorporate silicon carbide composites in the aircraft's turbine blades, improving durability and heat resistance. While only one prototype exists, Japan continues to refine its design, aiming for a fully operational stealth fighter in the near future. The X2 Shinshin represents Japan's commitment to cutting-edge military aviation, paving the way for a powerful homegrown air force capable of competing with the world's best fighter jets.
Lake Bled. Imagine playing basketball on water. That's exactly what the Lake Bled floating basketball arena offers. Located in Slovenia's stunning Lake Bled, this one-of-a-kind floating court creates an incredible backdrop for an intense 3-on-3 tournament. Unlike any other sports venue, this arena is designed to appear as if players are running on water, making for a breathtaking spectacle. This unique project was developed with the support of Jordan Brand and local sports retailer Gross Basket, blending innovation with athletic competition. The floating court is a true engineering marvel, showcasing how urban sports can be played in unexpected locations. By pushing the limits of conventional sports infrastructure, this design inspires the possibility of floating courts in other regions worldwide. Beyond its visual appeal, this arena represents a new frontier for urban sports, where water-based courts could become a creative new trend. It's not just about playing basketball, it's about enhancing the experience by merging sport with nature in an entirely new way. The Diver Plus system used in the arena contributes to the feeling of defying gravity, making the game feel more dynamic and immersive. This project isn't just about basketball, it's about rethinking where and how we play sports. The Lake Bled floating basketball arena could serve as an inspiration for future floating stadiums, offering exciting possibilities for events in cities with lakes, rivers, or coastal waters. With its bold and creative design, this floating arena proves that sports are not confined to land, opening the door to a whole new era of game innovation. NASA's next Mars helicopter mission. NASA's Ingenuity helicopter has changed the course of Martian exploration, proving that controlled flight is possible on Mars. Since its first flight in April 2021, this small yet powerful drone has exceeded expectations, completing over 70 flights by early 2024. Ingenuity's success has paved the way for more advanced aerial vehicles capable of exploring Mars' most challenging terrains. Although NASA has not yet announced an official successor to Ingenuity, research is actively underway to develop next-generation Mars helicopters. These future aerial explorers could have enhanced autonomy, longer flight durations, and improved solar-powered batteries, allowing them to survey regions that are inaccessible to traditional rovers. This could include deep craters, caves, and cliffs that may hold crucial clues about Mars' past. One of NASA's main priorities is the Mars Sample Return (MSR) mission, which aims to bring back Martian soil and rock samples for in-depth study on Earth. Advanced drones could play a key role in retrieving and transporting these samples, bridging the gap between robotic and human exploration. Beyond scientific research, aerial technology could support future manned missions to Mars. Drones might be used to map terrain, scout for resources, or assist in astronaut navigation. Given Mars' thin atmosphere, engineers are working on ultralight materials and efficient rotor designs to maximize lift and endurance. With each technological advancement, NASA moves closer to unlocking Mars' secrets and preparing for human colonization. The next-generation Mars helicopters could serve as the eyes in the sky, guiding explorers toward a deeper understanding of the red planet's history, geology, and potential for past or present life.
Leo Coupe. The Leo Coupe, Lee, designed by Leo Flight USA, brings us closer to the dream of personal flying cars. Unlike traditional aircraft, this compact vehicle takes off and lands vertically, allowing it to function in urban environments without the need for long runways. Designed to be the size of a standard car, the Leo Coupe can comfortably fit in a regular parking spot while accommodating a pilot and 2 passengers. It boasts an impressive range of 402 kilometers and a cruising speed of 322 kilometers per hour, making it a powerful alternative to cars and even private planes. One of its standout promises is drastically reducing travel times, turning a multi-hour drive into a 30-minute flight. Running entirely on electric power, it offers a sustainable mode of air travel with 0 emissions. However, challenges such as air traffic management, regulations, and safety standards will need to be addressed before it becomes widely available. With production planned within the next 3 years, the Leo Coupe moving swiftly from concept to reality. Priced at $290,000, it may start as a luxury item, but it has the potential to pave the way for affordable personal flying vehicles in the future.
P791 Airship. The Lockheed Martin P791 is a remarkable hybrid airship that merges the benefits of lighter-than-air technology with the efficiency of traditional aircraft. First taking to the skies in 2006, this futuristic aircraft features a tri-hull design that enhances stability, aerodynamics, and cargo capacity. Unlike conventional airships, the P791 incorporates an advanced landing system, allowing it to operate in diverse environments with minimal infrastructure. Originally developed for the U.S. Army's Long Endurance Multi-Intelligence Vehicle (LEMV) program, the P791 was ultimately not selected. However, its innovative engineering laid the foundation for future hybrid airships, influencing the design of modern aerial transport solutions. The P791 can carry up to 20 short tons of cargo, making it a viable alternative to helicopters and conventional transport aircraft. One of the key advantages of hybrid airships like the P791 is their fuel efficiency. By using helium for lift and aerodynamic structures for propulsion, these airships consume significantly less fuel than traditional planes, reducing both operational costs and environmental impact. This makes them particularly useful for cargo transport, humanitarian aid, and remote area logistics where infrastructure is limited. Although the P791 did not enter mass production, its legacy continues through hybrid air vehicles Airlander 10, which builds upon its design and technology. With advancements in aerodynamics, materials, and propulsion, future airships are expected to play a pivotal role in sustainable aviation. As the industry shifts towards eco-friendly transport solutions, hybrid airships could redefine the way cargo and passengers move across the globe, offering a cleaner, more efficient alternative to conventional air travel.
Leonardo AW609 tiltrotor aircraft. The Leonardo AW609 represents a major leap in aviation technology, seamlessly combining the vertical takeoff and landing capabilities of a helicopter with the speed and range of a fixed-wing airplane. Equipped with 2 powerful Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6C 67A engines, this tiltrotor aircraft achieves a cruising speed of 500 kilometers per hour, 270 knots, and operates at altitudes of up to 25,000 feet. With auxiliary fuel tanks, the AW609 offers an impressive range of 1,852 kilometers, 1,000 nautical miles, making it suitable for long-distance missions. The aircraft's pressurized cabin comfortably seats up to 9 passengers, ensuring a quiet and smooth ride even at high altitudes. Cutting-edge avionics, including a triple redundant fly-by-wire system and Collins Aerospace ProLine Fusion displays, enhance flight safety and reduce pilot workload. Its innovative tiltrotor design allows the AW609 to take off and land in tight spaces, while transitioning to efficient airplane-like cruise flight. Versatile by design, the AW609 excels in various roles, from VIP transport and medical evacuations to search and rescue missions. Its advanced engineering, adaptability, and high performance position the AW609 as a revolutionary solution for both civilian and commercial aviation needs, setting a new benchmark in air travel efficiency and flexibility.
Renault Air 4. The Renault Air 4 is a revolutionary flying car concept that reimagines the beloved Renault 4L in a way never seen before, by giving it wings, or more precisely, propellers. Developed in partnership with design firm The Arsenale, this electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicle was created to celebrate the 60th anniversary of the iconic Renault 4. It blends nostalgic design with futuristic flight technology, opening a new chapter in the evolution of personal mobility. Retaining the original silhouette of the Renault 4L, the Air 4 features a sleek and lightweight carbon fiber body. This helps preserve the classic design while adapting it for airborne travel. Instead of wheels, the car is equipped with 4 powerful two-blade propellers, allowing it to take off and land vertically, a feature increasingly seen in next-gen urban air mobility solutions. The Air 4 is powered by 22,000 mAh lithium polymer batteries, enabling it to fly at speeds of up to 90 km/h and reach altitudes of 700 meters. While it's not designed for commercial use, yet, the Air 4 serves as a bold concept that shows how automakers can merge tradition with innovation. This flying car concept is not just about style, it also makes a statement about where personal transportation is headed. The Renault Air 4 is a futuristic tribute that highlights the possibilities of electric flight and sustainable travel, wrapped in the familiar curves of a retro favorite. It's more than just a concept, it's a vision of what happens when automotive heritage meets next-gen engineering. In a world looking toward cleaner, smarter, and more versatile transportation, the Renault Air 4 stands out as a symbol of how the past can inspire the future, even when that future takes to the skies.
The Lilium Jet represents a new era in sustainable air mobility, designed to revolutionize city and regional transportation. Developed by Lilium, this fully electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional aviation. Its compact and sleek design allows seamless integration into existing infrastructure, reducing the need for large airports or dedicated airstrips. Lilium Jet's performance and efficiency make it a game changer in urban air travel. It utilizes a proprietary ducted fan system, enhancing both efficiency and noise reduction. The aircraft is designed for high-speed travel, bridging the gap between helicopters and commercial jets while maintaining low operational costs. Though the exact pricing remains undisclosed, Lilium has actively sought funding by securing a $114 million capital round to support its development. A key advantage of the Lilium Jet is its contribution to decarbonizing aviation, aligning with global efforts to reduce emissions. The aircraft is expected to serve in urban air mobility networks, providing a fast, quiet, and zero-emission alternative for city-to-city travel. With its ongoing advancements, Lilium is shaping the future of sustainable air transportation, offering a green solution for modern mobility needs. Safari 500. The Safari 500 is a compact and efficient ultralight helicopter powered by the reliable IO360 Lycoming engine, offering impressive performance in a lightweight design. Its powder-coated frame, paired with a carbon fiber exterior, ensures durability without compromising on weight, resulting in smooth handling and excellent agility. Inside, the Safari 500 provides a comfortable and stylish cabin with options for either leather or cloth seating and carpeted flooring, allowing pilots and passengers to enjoy a cozy flight experience. Engineered for superior performance, this helicopter features a fabricated engine cooling shroud and a vertical engine conversion, both designed to enhance cooling efficiency during operation. The Safari 500 is renowned for its high power-to-weight ratio, making it a favorite among ultralight enthusiasts. Its sturdy carbon fiber build ensures reliability, while its focus on pilot comfort makes it a standout choice for those seeking a well-rounded flying experience. Whether for leisure or light professional use, the Safari 500 is a top pick in its class, offering a perfect balance of innovation, performance, and style that appeals to a wide range of aviation enthusiasts. Lockheed C5M Super Galaxy. The Lockheed C5M Super Galaxy is one of the largest and most powerful military transport aircraft in the world. Developed by Lockheed Martin for the United States Air Force, USAF. Designed for strategic airlift missions, it plays a crucial role in transporting large cargo, military equipment, and personnel across vast distances. Powered by 4 General Electric CF680C2 engines, the C5M boasts enhanced fuel efficiency, increased thrust, and a maximum takeoff weight of 381 tons. Its top speed of 833 km/h, 518 mph, and range of 4,260 km, 2,647 miles make it ideal for long-haul operations, whether in military or humanitarian efforts. The aircraft's advanced avionics and navigation systems ensure high precision and operational safety. One of its biggest advantages is the ability to fly at 41,000 feet higher than most commercial air traffic, reducing congestion and improving mission efficiency. Its enormous cargo hold can accommodate helicopters, armored vehicles, and even other aircraft parts, making it indispensable for military deployments, disaster relief missions, and emergency evacuations. With a price tag of $137 million per unit, the C5M Super Galaxy represents a pinnacle of modern aviation engineering, ensuring global mobility for the U.S. military and allied forces.